quenches thirst. Knows damn well when he gets down there, it's only making matters worse. He's grown tired of always being alone. He's grown tired of always getting stoned. Well, he's got a lesson to learn, and there ain't enough gas for all the bridges to burn. And he hopes somebody's gonna take him home. Yeah, he hopes somebody's gonna take him home. Down. She says, boy, they're all the same. She's grown tired of always being alone. She's grown tired of always getting stoned. Well, she's got a lesson to learn, and there ain't enough gas for all the bridges to burn. And she hopes somebody